Hey, what's going on, guys? The time to another big update came from the Samsung. I know there is lots of more update coming from the Samsung. The upcoming Samsung S11 is set to come in 2020. Samsung Galaxy S11 debut to come in 3 sizes and 5 variant in total depending on 5G. First of all, we look at the Even Blast tweet, who tweet the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S11 will have come in 3 size and 5 variant. Smaller 2 booth will come in both 5G and 4G modem. Only 5G for the largest Galaxy. All 5 variant will have a curved edge display, no more SE10 style flat panel. And he also said, if I could edit this ID, change the smallest size to say either 6.2 inch or 6.4 inch, as I have conflicting information about that one. So even Blast tweet this. Let's talk more about the upcoming Samsung S11 sizes. First up, a small 6.2 inch or perhaps 6.4 inch one. If Samsung stick to its current naming convention, it will probably be the S11e. Working our way up there is the regular S11 said to sport a 6.7 inch diagonal, and finally a bigger likely S11 Plus model at 6.9 inch. All 3 panels will apparently be curved this time around, so fans of the traditional flat look of the current S10e might be left a bit disappointed. Still, it is hardly a surprising move. Some goes for the rumors of a shift to a Taylor 20:9 aspect ratio from last month. As per that info, at least one of the Galaxy S11 model will feature a 20:9 aspect. Just like Creation A series devices Galaxy A80 and A70, unfortunately, there is still no word on whether this new flagship panel design will have a notch or cutout of some sorts, perhaps incorporate our periscope selfie camera of design. But we digress. Circling back to Even Blast, he also mentioned that the smaller 2 Galaxy S11 model will be offered in LTE and 5G variant, while the largest one will only have a 5G option. Naturally, with backward support for 4G network all around, this effectively brings the S11 variant count to 5 other bits. The pieces of info we have also overheard about Samsung next flagship is the inclusion of the company owned second generation 108 megapixel main camera sensor alongside a 5x zoom periscope camera. The latter will likely be at the core of the recently trademarked space zoom feature. In another unsurprising bit, we anticipate either an Exynos 9830 or a Snapdragon 865 inside the Galaxy S11 family, depending on market. As per usually, we can probably expect the new S11 phone sometime in mid to late February 2020. And if history is anything to go by, we will probably know a lot more detail prior to the official launch. So the S11e size is 6.4 inch, the previous S10e has a 5.8 inch screen, the second Galaxy S11 has a 6.7 inch, and the Samsung S11 Plus has 6.9 bigger screen display. 6.9 inch is the really big display, guys. If you look at the last year, S10 Plus has 6.4 inch, so the Samsung increased 5 inch more screen. Hope people love this big screen. I really like the big screen phone, but let's see, there are lots of people who do not like bigger phone. So what do you think about this bigger size upcoming Samsung S11? Let me know your thought in the comment section. So this is for now update from Samsung. If you like the video, thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tech related video. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.